If you're like most drivers, you probably don't put a lot of thought into your windshield wipers, but you should. Windshield wipers are one of the most important safety items on your car. The wipers enable us to physically see through the rain, snow, and dust of the roadway, providing clarity and confidence. Worn windshield wipers can be a pain to deal with. They leave unsightly streaks or residue that make it harder to see and can even scratch your windshield. While wiper blades are cheaper to replace compared to other parts of your car, it's still important to take proper care of them. Let's take a look at 5 tips to extend the life of your wiper blades. 1. Park in the shade. One of the top things that ruins wiper blades is exposure to extreme heat, and that's why summer is particularly hard on them. The UV rays of the sun will cause the rubber of your windshield wipers to dry up over time, causing them to crack, which will ultimately lead to streaks and inefficient cleaning. 2. Make sure your windshield is clean. A smooth, clean windshield is ultimately going to obstruct your wipers less than a windshield that's routinely covered in mud, dust, ice, or debris, making a clean windshield an effective conserver of your wiper blades. Considering making a habit to clean your windshield wipers with a squeegee every time you stop at a gas station. 3. Don't scrape the ice and snow off with your wiper blades. Never use your wiper blades to de-ice your windshield in the winter. You'll only encourage the cold, dry rubber to crack and break away, resulting in skipping, wear, and streaking. Ice is particularly harsh on wiper blades because it's so hard, and the sharp edges and texture can cause tremendous damage to the blade. Avoid the temptation of using wiper blades to take the snow and ice of your car. Instead, take the time before you leave the house or the work parking lot to clean off your windshield using a scraper or a brush. 4. Lift your wiper blades when it snows. When wintry weather is in the forecast and you don't have the luxury of a garage, pull your wiper blades away from the windshield when you park your vehicle. This helps prevent ice from building up on the blades and prevents the blades from sticking to the windshield. And 5. Don't operate your wipers dry. They are not intended for operating on a dry windshield. If you operate them dry, you may hear a screeching, squeaking noise as they pass over the glass. This is an indication that the rubber is wearing. Also, operating wipers dry can cause any dry debris on the glass to scratch the window permanently. If it is not raining or snowing, spray washer fluid on the windshield before using the wipers. If you've been using your windshield wipers, be sure to turn them off when you park your vehicle. That way, when you start up your car again, the wipers won't automatically start going, which could potentially tear the wipers if they have become stuck to the windshield by snow and ice. Wiper blades are a must for places that frequently deal with harsh weather conditions. A malfunctioning wiper can lead to accidents, which can be easily avoided with these maintenance tips. Wipers may not be an expensive repair in the grand scheme of things, but remember, basic maintenance and upkeep of your vehicle ensures that you adopt a sense of priority for keeping your vehicle in good working order. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.